Hello everybody, I'm just going to make some nice Christmassy earrings. Got some 0.4mm wire, some crystal hearts with a hole just in the middle there, and some sterling silver hooks, rosemary pliers, and of course cutters. I use about probably 1.5 inch of wire, thread it through the hole in the bead, and then just twist the wire together. So then you can make a hook, a loop, to go onto your earring. Trim off excess wire, and then just make sure you press those down so there's no rough edges. Attach onto your earring hook. And then you've got a nice earring. I love the colour of these. You can also make them in pink, make them in any. These come in all sorts of different colours. Purchased them on eBay, I think. I get a lot of my beads from. They're quite cheap and reasonable. And then we just make an identical one. And you used to round those pliers, they go about halfway, and then you hopefully will get the same size loop. I'm using my new camera today, so I'm hoping that it's going to work out alright. There we go. Simple. And I'm just going to show you how to make these lovely cute earrings. They're nice for Christmas. They're very simple to make. For this one, you just need a round loop, about 1 inch in diameter. I've used a little plastic butterfly bead, gold bead, it's plastic, not real, and head pin, and of course a hair hook. I just thread the head pin through the butterfly bead and then put on the gold one. You can use anything there, you put a little crystal bead or something, be nice, but I just thought the gold ones look nice with the. Then bend your wire, leave about 1/2 inch wire, bend it and then make a loop. Just keep moving your pliers around, don't move your wire, move your pliers. Make a loop. And I've just hooked this onto my ear hook. And then attach your loop into there. Tighten that up. Yeah, simple as that. Make a nice gift to somebody for Christmas. Put them in a little box. It'll be lovely. And the next pair is this with the Christmas tree. That's just a Christmas tree charm. I got them off eBay, quite reasonable to buy. Beads and an ear hook. Got a long head pin, and that's got a flat end there. And what I've done is just cut off the end of the flat end, thread my beads on, and get them in about the middle of the head pin. Bend that over to make a loop, make a loop, okay, and the loop on the other side. Then I attach the charm to one of the loops, and the ear hook, and you have to make sure that you get that ear hook so that the charm is hanging at the front. That's it. Simple. So there's two pairs of nice little earrings there. This is the earring I've made with shells. I've made my own ear hook. There is a video on those on my channel. I'll put a link in the description. But you can use any ear hooks if you like. I'm going to use a head pin, which you can see it's got a flat top to it. And I just thread that through the hole in the bead. And with my round nose pliers, bend it like so. And then keep moving your pliers round. You make a loop. And you can open that and just thread it into the hook. There, they're simple.